Hey Chef Boy Lee, come to Merwan and we have a competition about fried rice. You can make a kimchi fried rice and I'm gonna make a crab fried rice with duck.
I accept.
Kevin, what the fuck are you gonna make?
I'm gonna try to make some kimchi fried rice. Hopefully it's as good as
I'm
yours.
sure it will be better for her.
I know. I'm gonna get schooled today. Soy sauce and water, sugar, meat goes back in, dry shiitake kombu.
Instead of bacon, we're gonna use pancetta.
Everything tastes better with bacon. How can it be bad? Kimchi and bacon. Alright, that's the first. Delicious. No, very good. Jongnam Masisa.
It's really hot. Those are really fat pieces, but.
You know Gangnam Style?
Oh, I do, chef.
I love food with a lot of spices and a lot of flavors. Yeah.
This is my famous kimchi fried rice.
And I think it looks beautiful. So tender, delicious. Thank you, Chef. I learned a lot about Korean fried rice. Now I'm gonna show you how I do the fried rice. Tequila, soju, wine, champagne, you name it, I drink it.